Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is very important because in this topic we will discuss how we can make the dashboard by using the simple data. Here you can see the data I have already made, and in the same way I have made the different charts, so we just need to change the month and it will reflect the data into our different quarters, and this in the same simultaneously it will reflect on our chart. So you can see if I just change the date, so you can see the data has been changed, and with the reflection of our data, so you can see the charts and the data on the chart has also changed. So you can see we have made the three charts here, and for making this simplicity we have used simple data. Like if I just change to August, so you can see, and in the same way we have made the button, so you just need to select the list of months here. So how we have made this type of attractive dashboard we'll just discuss in our whole brief example. We are just requesting you to watch the full video to get the benefit of this example. So here we start our example by using the chart. So first we need to just make some space. Now I just select some cells, and after selecting the cells, go here in the merge in center, so that we can make the space for our data, like for the month of, and after that month of we just stop and select the data and go here in the right alignment, so we can connect our chart. So after making it bold and italic, now just use your sales and Q1, Q2, Q3, and last Q4. Now here write the items that we sell, like we sell microwave, and just make the correction of the microwave. And then here I just write electric kettle. Now I just write here our rice cooker. Then second last is mixed grinder, and the last one we can use toaster, TOASTR, toaster. We have made it. Now select the cells, and now we can use first quarter, and in the quarter we can use here the rand between function, so it will help us to randomly take the data, and we can just use all the data here, like here equals to rnd rand bet between bracket open, and it says bottom and top. Bottom means the lowest value, so for the simplicity I just write here 100, and top 350, bracket close, enter. So you can see it gives us randomly the value. Now we just need to drag it to the our left side, or sorry, right side, and then down. So you can see it gives us the data here. Now I just make it more attractive, and by just minimizing the size of the columns, so it will be more visible now. Or if you want to increase the size, so you can increase. I just increase a little bit size, so it will be more attractive to the viewers. So I just select all the box and go here in the central alignment. Again select the cell and go here in the all boxes, and again thick border box, and select the headings, and again make the thick border box. And now what we have to do, we have to just make the button. So I just select the 4 columns, but before that go in the sheet, and here you can see we have to make the months. So now month we write January, and then February, and then making some correction in the February, so this is the correct. Now we have made the pattern. Now just need to drag it down, so it will automatically create the remaining months. So you can see here we just need to drag it to the December. This is November, and last is December. So you can see here the all months. Now we just need to make the button, so I just select the 4 cells and make it merge and center. Now we need to link our month, so we just write here equals to and select that cell address, which means if I write anything in that cell, so it will reflect here. For example, if I just write here March, so you can see it will reflect March here. If I just write here J or JAN, so you can see here it will reflect in our that cell or that box. Now we need to link that cell. So how we can link? We can link this box by using the data validation. So you can see data, and here you can see data validation. Click here, a box will appear, and in the box you can see here any value. We need to select list, and here source. So click here and copy the total array of the month, and then press here OK. So you can see here it gives us the list of months. So if I just select any month, so it will reflect here, as well as it will reflect for the month of this cell. So we need to make some bigger here and some color here to make attractive, and making some thick, or you can change. I just use here some attractive things, like now I just need to select the all the line or all the cell to make it more attractive. I just make it merge and left alignment. Now select whole box and make it some color here, so you can see the color here. Now we need to just connect both the boxes here. Again it creates some problems, so I just select the cell and make it the box, and here go and make the thick border box and make it. Now will successful. We need to just make the whole cells. Now I just again check the data validation function, so you can see here it is reflecting here. It's also reflecting in the data. Whenever we change the month, the data will change because we have used the run between function. This is the quality of the run between function. You can write the data at the backend by yourself. To make it simple, I just use the run between function, so that we can link our different charts, and how we can link our different charts and how it will change by changing the data here. Now I just make it more attractive, selecting the cells and go here for the right color and make it bold. Now list of our items and make it bold and italic. We have completed that part also. Now what we have to do, we have to select the our charts. So select the data, go here insert, and here you can see the charts. So first is our bar chart, so we select the bar chart, and here you can see now you just need to place it at the correct place, so you can use here, or it will be more attractive to the audience. Now our second is pie chart, so I just select the sales and quarter one, go here insert and use here the pie chart. So now minimize it and place it, but now just select the whole box after just making press and place it at the right. Press now minimize, and again need to make some closer to our data. This is, we have made our second chart. Now third, we have to select the cell, again go here in the insert option, and here you can see our another chart, which is line chart. You can select any desired chart. I just select that one and make it some smaller and place it to the right portion. Now just need to increase the size of our pie chart, so it will be equal to our line chart. So you can see we have made this chart, and to make it more attractive, what we have to do, we have to minimize the, or we have to zoom out. I just use here 95, it will be more correct to our data. And now I just need to make the thick border box, but before making the thick border box I need to make the cells or make some data or make some space here. So how I can make some space here? But before that, you can see grid lines. We just need to remove the grid lines. So you can see if I just remove the grid lines, so it is not visible. Now I select all the data and in the background, and after selecting it, make it thick border box, so it will be more attractive and it is still not visible to our audience properly due to our sheet. So I just use your insert function and then again minimize the size, so you can see the line in the upper side is also reflecting, and in the same way we just use here in the left side. So you can see our whole box is ready, our whole cells is ready. Here you can see the subject. So if you want to change the subject, you can change, like here I say change monthly and sales report, and you can further make some changes in it, like you can make it bigger, bold, and change the color as well as per your own desired need. And here you can see the chart, so you can also use the same chart name, like here you can see in the insert we have the chart like pie chart, we have the bar chart. In the same way here you can see it is reflecting its name like insert line chart. So with the name of the chart it will be more helpful for the presenter to describe that which type of chart you are using. So we have just used your data in line chart, and you can also make some changes in this, like select all the cell, and or you can select all the data, go here and make it bold and bigger, and you can use italic as well. This is the reflection of the cells. You can also check the data here, and if I just change here the month, so you can see it is reflecting in the chart as well, in the data as well. If I just change the month, so you can make further amendments like in the pie chart. So in the pie chart you can see in the plus sign data labels, you can increase the different options here. If I just use your data function, so you can see it reflecting the percentage, how much percentage we have used. And if I just change the month, so you can see it is again reflecting here in the same functions. And this is how we have made our whole example, and by using it very simple technique we can make such type of dashboard and link our data into it. If you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section. Thank you for watching our video.